Ayun, good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Today is Good Friday, Viernes Santo, April 18. Second day ng ride natin. Makakailang consecutive rides kaya tayo. So I was hoping I will do 30 para makomplete yung 30-day challenge natin. And si Madam, medyo malamig-lamig ngayon parang hindi pa summer. Kasi nakalabas naman yung buwan. Pero ko alam, parang I felt like nauulan, parang ganyan. Well, anyway, it's Good Friday. Tignan natin. So today I will do 30 kilometers. Mag-incremental of 10 tayo. Time check, it's 4:54. Ayan, and shout out sa mga subscribers natin, members and viewers. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pasuyo na lang po. Let's just hit that subscribe button. Yan. Ang lamig. So malamang abutin ako ngayon ng mga siguro mga 1.5 2 hours na ride. So yesterday I was feeling okay naman yung kahapon. Yung ride natin, yung 20 kilometer ride natin kahapon was okay. Pero after ng ride is syempre kailangan mo maligo after ng ride di ba? Kasi otherwise amoy kambing ganon. Ako lang pala. Yun, sumama na naman yung pakiramdam ko. Then hindi tayo nakapag live stream kahapon. I was supposed to do screencast but hindi na rin ako nag screencast dahil wala lang. Anyway, today I don't know, I might do a screencast again. So I don't know yet what to do today. So abangan na lang po natin later. Yan. Ayan, I come prepared. Hindi ako nag-cram. Merong battery ang ating ating bike monitor. It's called bike computer. May battery ang aking smartwatch. I am prepared today, so kaya medyo it's gonna be a longer ride than yesterday. Pero syempre pagkakasyahin natin siya sa under 14 minutes 13 minutes na video. Yon, let's go! Yon, pasok doon tayo dito sa ating usual spot. Dito lang muna ulit tayo, Khalifa City. Medyo sasawaan nyo lang tong area na to. But it's not important. The important thing is I'm doing my physical activity daily now. Now it's day 2. So I wanted to do it daily. So let's see how many consecutive I can do it. So we will do a countdown. Magka-countdown tayo kung ilang consecutive natin. So from here on out, we will change the minimum to 30 kilometers minimum. Bukas it's Saturday, so I'm not sure. Most probably I will ride in a different location Saturday, Sunday. But for now, dito muna tayo, Khalifa City. Let's go. Ayun, so far ano tayo, naka 10 kilometers na tayo in 30 minutes. 10 kilometers o 20 kilometers more. So medyo madilim-dilim pa rin. So mag-start lumawanag yung mga 6:30 siguro. Pero kasi medyo mas mabilis ang pace ko ngayon compare yesterday. Kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin ngayon, tsaka malamig-lamig yung hangin. So mahirap pagpawisan, kaya I need to pumukpok sa I just need to pedal hard para pawisan ako. Yun, let's go! So yan, na tayo. We are on nakaka 20 kilometers na tayo. So 10 kilometers pa. 20 kilometers in 51 minutes. So siguro mga another 30 minutes. So 10, hindi naman. 10, mga 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes for our final 10 kilometers of the day. Yan, maliwanag na. Pero hindi pa nakalabas yung araw. So let's see, let's go. Yun. Yung mga ibang part ng track ay pinatay na yung ilaw kasi nga magliliwanag na. So as I've mentioned from my previous rides na this is my favorite part of the day. Yung magpapalit yung init at saka init. Yung magpapalit ang gabi at umaga. Yung dilim at saka yung paliwanag pa. Yung magliliwanag yan. That's my favorite part of the day. I don't know why is that, kung bakit. Wala lang, parang ang saya lang ng feeling na inabutan ka ng umaga. So inabutan ka ng araw sa labas. Yung ganon. I don't know why I feel na nasasayan ako pag ganyan yung nagliliwanag na. Yun lang, share ko lang kasi medyo we're a bit down this past few days. So yan lang ang mga at least nakapagpasaya sa atin for the day. So at least kahit na at one point in time of the day naging masaya ka. Ayun, yun yung ano dun eh. That's the beauty of it. Beyond, let's go! Ayun. 3, 2, 1. Ayun. Tapos na natin yung ating 30 kilometer na ride for today. That's the goal for today, 30 kilometers. So tomorrow we might do 30 or we will do more than 30. We will see tomorrow. We did it in 1 hour 17 minutes. Usually yung 30 minutes, yung 30 kilometers, 1 hour lang ako. Pero ngayon, mahangin kasi. Anyway, exit na tayo dito. At sakto. Ano na? Sikat na yung araw, sunrise na. Ayan, gusto ko sana magpa-araw pa ng konti. Kaya lang, ayan na yung araw sa harapan. Yun. Sunrise. Ito, naka-exit na tayo. Balik na tayo sa bahay. Let's go. See you at home. Ayun. Yan na, malapit na tayo sa bahay. Home sweet home na tayo. Thank you nga pala sa mga nakaabot dito. Siyempre, again, shoutout natin mga subscribers natin. Maraming salamat po sa support nyo. Members, thank you very much. Yung mga hindi pa nakapa-member, pwede na kayo magpa-member. Tsaka yung mga sa viewers natin, sa mga nanonood dyan, those who haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, like button, hit the notification bell, hit nyo kahit anong gusto nyo i-hit dyan. Baala na kayo, matatanda na kayo. Well, thank you very much, and also thank you, Lord, for the safe ride. Today is Good Friday, sorry. It's a Good Friday, Biyernes Santo. It's Oh, Good Friday ride. It was a good ride, 30 kilometers done. Yun, hanggang dito na lang. Until tomorrow. So day 2, naka-day 2 na nakakadalawang araw na tayo. So hanggang kailan kaya tayo hanggang ilan kayong kaya natin consecutively. Yun. So again, hanggang dito na lang. Until next time. So if you find this entertaining, interesting, and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See ya!